If you've been trading for months or years and consistency still feels out of reach, it's not because you're a bad trader or bad at trading, it's because you've never been given the tools and proper framework to have a complete system. This is Accelerated Mentorship Plus, the trading methodology and software we personally use with our private traders. Most traders fail because they lack structure and guidance. Where's the entry confirmation? Where do I enter? What about the profit and stop levels? Can I filter out bad trades and signals with automation? And can I scale with more contracts? Start with the At the Open 2, identifying high probability session breakouts as soon as the market opens. Catch the morning move right as it begins. The Atlas line. Stay on the right side of the market, filter out direction, and catch the pullback and strength trades. Available for TradingView and NinjaTrader. The Trade Scalper, a fan favorite for scalping the markets. You actually learn the method. You have the signals, audible alert, as well as the text. The roadmap helps you avoid market manipulation. It's one of the best proprietary indicators available to help you stay out of losing trades. You get all of the software in one package with lifetime licenses and live training to ensure you understand how the methods work. The blueprint is all about breakouts, swing trading, day trading, and scalping. It's a breakout methodology loved by traders. The autopilot trading system is fully automated with trailing stop, break even, daily profit loss, and can be utilized in different markets with plenty of options. The latest trading system, the Sonic, is semi-automated and perfect for prop traders and funded traders with specific targets and stops. If you're done guessing and ready to trade with structure, precision, and confidence, Accelerated Mentorship is the fastest path we've built for funded and developing traders. You don't need an average indicator, you need a proprietary trading framework you can use for a lifetime. Click below to unlock private access to Accelerated Mentorship and finally trade with confidence and control.